हेलो गाइस, दिस इज अदित्य एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो गाइस, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना गाइस। इस चैनल पर ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस आती रहती हैं। तो गाइस, आज हम बनाएंगे संजू भाई को। आप एक आर्टिस्ट हो तो आपने इनका चैनल कभी ना कभी विजिट किया होगा और इनकी बेहतरीन ड्राइंग्स तो देखी होंगी, पेंटिंग्स देखी होंगी।
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervous.
तो आज बिना किसी देरी के लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay.